Okay, good day, my beautiful students. In this class, I want to teach you something in integration. So, what is that then? Let's look at this particular thing. When you are asked to integrate, maybe uh you have the t, something like this, the integral of what the t, okay? So what you have to do there is what, since they are talking about what t, come here and put what t plus what your constant of integration. Remember, in every integration, as far as what we don't have boundaries, okay, we always put what constant of what integration. So take note of that. So if you are asked to integrate the p, what should be the answer? P plus what constant of what integration. That is the first thing you need to know in integration. Then number two, let's call this number one. Then number two, if you are asked to integrate 3 dx, okay, what are you seeing here? You are seeing a number and you're now putting dx. Now, in integration, we know that what we don't integrate numbers, okay? We integrate variable. Number is just a constant, variable can change. So this is the same thing to say, bring out this number out, you are now integrating what? Dx, okay? So this implies that, remember, we have 3 here, and I told you that whenever you're integrating what? Dx, dt, dp, d or something, you are going to have what? X, okay? So if you integrate this, that is what? X, then you put your constant of what? Integration. So if somebody asks you to integrate 5 dm, so what are you going to do? Put your 5, look at your 5, integrate this dm, you are going to have m plus what? Constant of what? Integration. Take note of that. That is what? Number 2. Let's see number 3, okay? Number 3, if you are asked to, number 3, if you are asked to integrate just a variable with respect to what? X, you can see you are asked to integrate this. What are you going to do? Come to this particular letter here, put 2 on top of it, okay? And divide it by what? 2. Divide it by this, because the power of this is 1. So add 1 to that power, we have 2. Then divide it by what? What you have as your power, which is this, plus your constant of what? Integration. Okay? So if you are asked in exam to integrate t dt, what are you going to have? T square over what? 2 plus what? Your constant of what? Integration. Take note of that, a variable. Okay? So number 4, if you are asked to integrate, maybe you have x raised to power 4, the what? X. With the knowledge of what I have here, what are you going to do? Write your x, which is this, go to this power, add it 1, okay? So if you add it 1, you are going to have 5. Divide it by what? The power you have, which is what? 5, plus your constant of what? Integration. And this is what I actually want you to know in integration. See you in the next video.